Good morning, children. All of you, welcome back to our social class. Children, do you remember what we learned in the last class? Yes, we learned about Delhi. So, children, Delhi is the capital of which country? Yes, India. Delhi is the capital of India and Delhi has an extreme climate. Then we learned about Rashtrapati Bhavan, isn't it? Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India at the western end of Rajpath. Then we learned about Red Fort. Red Fort is a historic fort in the city of Delhi that served as the main residence of Mughal emperors. Then we learned about Qutub Minar. Qutub Minar is a minaret and victory tower situated in Mehrauli, isn't it? So children, let's continue reading. All of you take your textbook, take page number 222. Let's start. Delhi has many other tourist attractions. They include Purana Killa,
Humayun's tomb, Saftajung's tomb,
Lodi Gardens, Nehru Planetarium, Shankar's International Dolls Museum, the National Museum, the Gandhi Memorial and the Zoological Park. Children, the Purana Killa is one of the oldest forts in Delhi. Okay. There are places of worship for people of all faiths, many of them being buildings of great historical importance. Among them are the Birla Mandir and the Swami Narayan Akshardham Temple, Jama Masjid and Nizamuddin Dargah, Gurudwara Bangla Sahib and Gurudwara Rakabganj Sahib, St. James Church and Sacred Heart Cathedral, and the beautiful lotus temple built in the shape of a lotus flower. Children, in Delhi, there is a lot of places for worships and many of them bearing historical importance. Okay. And children, the lotus temple. The lotus temple is notable for its flower-like shape. Okay, its flower-like shape. Children, next know more. Near the Qutub Minar, there is a 1500-year-old pillar made of iron which has never rested. Children, this lesson is over. Now let's recall the lesson. All of you take the next page, 224. Let's recall. Delhi. Delhi is divided into Old Delhi and New Delhi. New Delhi, capital of India. Climate. Very hot summers and very cold winters. Places to visit in Delhi: Jantar Mandir, Rajghat, Parliament House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate, Qutub Minar, Red Fort. Okay. So now let's move on to the exercise part A. Write T for the true statements and F for the false statements. So children, here given some statements. Let's check whether it is false or true. So the first one, the Red Fort was built by Akbar. The Red Fort was built by Akbar. Children, it is a false statement. So write F. Okay, now the second one, the Prime Minister lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Prime Minister lives in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is a false statement. So write F. Okay, now the third one, the Jantar Mandir was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II. Yes children, it is a true statement. So write T. Jantar Mandir was built by Maharaja Jai Singh II. Okay, now the fourth one, Delhi is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Children, it is a true statement or a false statement? Yes, it is a true statement. So write T. Okay, now the last one, the Parliament House is the seat of the state government. The Parliament House is the seat of the state government. Children, it is a false statement, so write F. Okay, now B, fill in the blanks. Children, the first one, the Rashtrapati Bhavan is the home of the dash of India. Yes, children, the answer is President. The Rashtrapati Bhavan is the home of the President of India. Okay, now the second one. The Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in memory of dash. Who can answer? Yes, soldiers. The answer is soldiers. The Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in memory of soldiers. Okay, now the third one. The Baha'i temple is built in the shape of a dash flower. The Baha'i temple is built in the shape of a... Anyone can answer? Yes, lotus. Lotus flower. The answer is lotus. Children, now the fourth one. The Qutub Minar was built by dash. The Qutub Minar was built by dash. Children, the answer is Qutbuddin Aibak. Qutbuddin Aibak. The last one. The Jantar Mantar was used as an dash. The Jantar Mantar was used as an... Children, the answer is observatory. Observatory. Okay. Now see, answer the following questions. The first one, write 2 sentences to describe the climate of Delhi. So children, Delhi has an extreme climate. Delhi has an extreme climate. Summers are very hot and winters are very cold. Now the second question, name the states bordering Delhi. Name the states bordering Delhi. Children, the answer is Delhi is bordered by Uttar Pradesh in the east and Haryana on its 3 other sides. Okay. Children, now the third one. What is the importance of Rajpath? What is the importance of Rajpath? Children, the answer is the annual Republic Day parade takes place on Rajpath on 26th January. Okay. Now the fourth one. How tall is the Qutub Minar? How tall is the Qutub Minar? Children, the answer is the Qutub Minar is 73 meters high. The Qutub Minar is 73 meters high. Okay. Now the fifth one. Where are the Mughal gardens? Children, the Mughal gardens are seen in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Okay. The Mughal gardens are seen in the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Next project. A. Collect pictures of 2 places of tourist interest in Delhi and paste them on a chart paper. Write 3 lines about each. B. Borrow a few currency notes of different values from your elders. Observe the notes. On which note can you see a famous building located in Delhi? Children, this is your homework. So submit the project on Friday. Don't forget Friday. Okay. So children, today's class ends here and this lesson is also over. Let's meet in the next class. Have a nice day.